Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda Civic handbrake. First, find the handbrake lever, usually positioned between the driver and passenger seats. This lever is essential for safely parking your car, especially on inclines. Knowing how to properly engage and disengage it ensures your vehicle remains secure. Let's walk through the simple steps to master this important feature for confident parking every time. To engage the handbrake, pull the lever up with a firm, steady motion. You'll hear a series of clicks as it locks into position. Immediately check your dashboard for the red handbrake warning light. Its illumination confirms the brake is active. This step is vital for preventing your Civic from rolling, providing peace of mind whether you're on a flat surface or a steep hill. Disengaging the handbrake is a two-step process. First, gently pull the lever up a small amount, then press the button located at the end of the lever. While holding the button, push the lever all the way down until it rests flat. Always confirm that the red handbrake warning light on your dashboard has turned off before driving, ensuring the brake is fully released. For best practice, always engage your handbrake when parking, regardless of the terrain. This reduces strain on your transmission and adds an extra layer of safety. Never attempt to use the handbrake to stop a moving vehicle, as it's designed for parking only. Regular checks during your Civic's maintenance ensure your handbrake remains in optimal working condition, keeping you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.